Hey everybody, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a speaking final practice test for Spanish 1. This is the test I give my Spanish 1 students. They get 10 questions from 2 different lessons, and they will answer 5 questions at random from each lesson, so a total of 10 questions. If you're actually one of my students, what I would suggest you do is maybe not look at the screen while I'm asking the questions, so you can see if you can answer them just by hearing them. So what I'll do is I'll ask a question, and then give you a second to think about it, what you would say, and then I'll give you my answer, which should be similar to yours. And then when you're done, if you want to take the other practice test, you'll get the other 10 questions that I didn't ask you in this first test. If you're not one of my students, you just want to take this test with me, in just a second I will be putting the questions up on the screen, and you can see them as well as answer them if you want to. So pause it at any time, and let's see how you do. Okay, let's get started. So I randomly selected the gray questions. So question 1 is going to be, ¿Cómo es tu amigo ideal? Mi amigo ideal es interesante y simpático. Número 3, or the second question. ¿Qué comen tú y tus amigos mucho? Nosotros comemos los tacos mucho. Question 3. ¿Cuántos animales tienes en tu casa? Yo tengo 2 animales en mi casa. Pregunta 4, question number 4. Describe una persona en tu familia. And you have to mention what the person is like and something they like to do. Mi hermano es alto y a mi hermano le gusta correr. Question 5 from lesson 3. ¿Quién es tu persona favorita? Mi persona favorita es mi prima. Okay, second half questions. Lesson 4, the first question will be, ¿Qué pides en tu restaurante favorito? Yo pido los tacos al carbón. Question 2. ¿Dónde haces tu tarea? Yo hago mi tarea en la biblioteca. Pregunta 6, or question 3. ¿En qué aplicación ves videos? Yo veo videos en YouTube. Question 4. ¿Qué traes a la escuela todos los días? Yo traigo mi computadora y mi mochila todos los días. Pregunta 5, question 5 is, ¿dónde almuerzas? Yo almuerzo en la cafetería. Okay, so that's the first 10 questions. That would be a sample of what the test might look like for you. If you want to take the second sample test, check the link in the description of the video. That will take you to the other questions. If you have any questions for me, let me know. Otherwise, hasta luego.